change that you want, then be it. Go out there and do it, because of us all keeping our hands up. Yes, definitely. If something really good and challenging comes along, there are times when these kind of films do come, but ultimately when they are made, they kind of lose their realism along the way, and that happened with me a couple of times. So I got a little disillusioned with that. But if something definitely like that comes along, I'll surely be the first person to say so. Um, I have been offered seats by various governments, whether uh, in various parts of the country as well, and including my very own where I live. But I do feel that there is the right time for everything. And I do feel that people from all walks of life definitely should not shy away from politics, because very easy to sit back and talk and say, oh, this is not working for us, this is not working for us. But then it's a very cliched line, but then be the change, na? The change that you want, then be it. Go out there and do it, because of us all keeping our hands up, it's all the kinds that we don't want who accept a seat and then we are not happy with it. um, like I said, I'm still not ready. I earlier on used to joke that if I do say yes to politics, I'll be the first one to be assassinated, because I'll always be speaking the truth. So I think my own party people will only say, "Arey yaar, isko band karo." But like I said, I think you need to be ready to take on such a heavy responsibility. Right now, my kids are a little small, and with balancing, films and work and everything that I'm doing, my social activities as well, and children, it would be a lot, because that is something then you've got to give yourself up 24/7. So the day I'm ready to take that, maybe, like I said, if you want to be the change, then maybe. But it is tough. It is a struggle. But then I've told, I say this very often: if you're hardworking, dedicated, and you think, and definitely talented, you need to have a little talent. I'm sure you can leave a mark, and I'm sure you can achieve, because my dad was someone who came into the industry with nothing. He was a high court judge's son. He ran away from Agra Medical School and came to become a hero. He wanted to become a hero. He and Salim uncle, they both wanted to become heroes. I've got old pictures of their photo shoots with cowboy hats and everything. And Salim uncle became a writer, and my dad became a producer director. So I think it if you have it in you, and there is थोड़ी किस्मत भी साथ देनी चाहिए. कहते हैं जब किस्मत साथ देती है तो गधा भी घोड़ा हो जाता है. तो उस पे भी चांस लिया करो थोड़ा. No problem. Don't worry. Right now, this is what I didn't. Well, it came in. It is. I think Archana Kochars. I could be very wrong. I'm sorry. I should have found out, because I didn't know this is going to be asked.
But I think
Is there a tag behind? I didn't check. I actually just landed back from Nepal early morning, so I'm still a little sleepy and jet lagged. There's only a 15-minute difference, but I'm still jet lagged. Between Nepal and me. Thank you.
Since we were talking about politics, you getting into politics.
No, I'm not getting into politics. I would like to clarify, I'm not ready, I'm not getting into politics, but I am a socially aware person, and my opinions, like you said, are strong, even when I tweet. So I guess that's why people follow me on Twitter, because I do say things that I feel which should be politically right.
Okay, take a point here on this one.
Honestly, I haven't followed the story much. Like I said, I've just been traveling since the past now 3 months, constant traveling.
So
so
it's about just the display emotion, the display of emotion,
moral policing, I think everyone has their own daira which they think is wrong or right. As far as I'm concerned, I think the only moral policing that should be done is one within yourself. You should do, like someone asked me, oh, you've never done, revealing films and this and that, roles in films. I said, because what I'm comfortable doing, I'll do, and what I'm not comfortable doing, I won't do. So to a certain degree, we are not, we are a democracy, but there are laws also against obscenity. So to a certain extent, I think we should all follow what we think is comfortable within ourselves.
Okay, but are you okay with youngsters holding their hands, kissing forward? So are you open to this idea about the public display of emotion and love?
Public display of affection, if those two people are comfortable doing, but then again there has to be limit, because when it goes beyond a limit, even in the US or even in the West, there is a certain limit that is allowed. Otherwise, it becomes it's a law against obscenity.
Superb. I think that's that. Did I say that she will actually have a very strong opinion on this? But well, thank you so much, Raveena.
She's so sweet, yeah.
Thank you so much, Raveena. You're
Thank you.
fantastic.
Thank you. Thank you.